Dear mentor, cordial greeting. This is how to improve writing skills through the use of ICT MindMap. So, first of all, we're going to talk about the three main areas of this mind map. First of all, we have improving writing literacies through digital gaming literacies, Facebook gaming in the composition classroom. Then we also have mobile learning to improve writing and in ESL teaching. And then we have exploring classroom microblogs to improve writing of the middle school students. We're going to start with improving writing literacies through digital gaming literacies, Facebook gaming in the composition classroom. Well, the thing is that in gaming, there is a place for composition because somehow it uses the same skills that we teach our students when we are engaging them or when we are asking them to write. So that means that students can become aware between the connection of gaming literacies through reading and writing. Yes. We also have the fact that both composition and gaming are engaged into the problem solving world. Through gaming, you have unexpected moments where you have to make some decisions. So those decisions that you make are going to help you improve your critical thinking in the classroom because you're going to be exposed to similar situations where you have to decide what you're going to do. And when we talk about how this improves writing, when you're going to make a writing composition, you're going to have to also make those decisions after you have brainstormed and after you have decided what you want to write about. So somehow it helps you to narrow the meaningful parts of your writing. And last but not least, we have gaming can add new dynamic to composition by engaging students who employ multiple literacies that need further to be developed. Yes, so by using gaming in our classrooms, um, our students are going to continue to evolve because of all of the different learning skills that students can apply through gaming. Maybe they can do some audiovisual activities that are going to help them improve in that area, or maybe they're doing an activity in gaming which is kind of kinesthetic. So it's going to contribute to their learning. Now we're going to go on how mobile learning improves writing in the ESL teaching. We have that um, explicit instructions of the aim of each stage of the types of text by the teachers are gonna be supported by the use of podcasts. Podcasts are interesting way to uh, invite the students to get in touch with a topic because this helps um, the students interact with maybe a different perspective on how to approach a topic. So that means that by giving them different ways or different tools so that they can get, I don't know, an introduction or they can get an overview about a specific topic, is going to be quite resourceful to have this by your side. And also the analysis of texts are evolving. We have been exposed to different kinds of reading texts. Maybe they are informative, maybe they are short stories, or maybe they are documentary, but the fact is that they have been prepared to be short and they go straight to the point, which means that maybe they're not as long as text used to be, but there are different sources and different types of text which students can get a lot of information from. And exploring the classroom with microblogs to improve writing in middle school students means that emphasis was placed on developing formal writing, yes, and through a platform called Edmodo. This helps students get the tools necessary to go on with the structure that is required for them to learn the writing part. Participants also began by brainstorming, organizing, defining, redefining, and gathering data, which comes to my first point on when we were talking about improving digital literacy through Facebook gaming, because they have to organize the structure of the text that they want to write about. This is really important that you have a north, that you know what you're going to write about before the actual writing. And last, we talk about the overall of how it's shown that students, through applying all of these ICT resources, are slowly but steady improving, because as we have mentioned before, there are different ways that students can be approached through their learning styles. Thank you.